Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about count. So you can see we have a table and we need to run count in DSL and SQL. So we are going to discuss every step. Okay, so you can see this is the table and here we will do all the count operation. So for DSL we have a df is created, and for SQL we have a temp view as employee. Okay, so part 1 in SQL, what will happen if we need to select star? We all know that if we need to select all stuff from this table, then spark.sql select star from employee. So this is the output. Okay, so same things if we need to do in DSL. So the output is df.show. Okay, so df.show, it will give you the output. So let me run this one. So you can see in DSL and here in SQL. Okay, and then let me comment this one and here also. And second things, count total row. So how we will count total row? So in Spark SQL we will use select count star from employee. Okay, select count star from employee. So let me run this one. You can see total count is 17. Total row count is 17. Okay, so in DSL how you will do that? So here is a syntax. You can run this one like that. So let me run this one. We will use df.count. Okay, you can see it's total 17. So we can use other df.count, only df.count, and we're going to give the output here like count. Okay, so let me comment this one and here also. And third things, if we need to get a distinct department, so we have a lot of department: HR, IT, finance, IT, marketing. Okay, so we need to get a distinct. So how we'll write this syntax? So in Spark SQL, so we'll write spark.sql select count, and then we'll give distinct and department. In bracket we'll give distinct and department from employee. So let me run this one. We'll get only HR, IT, finance. Okay, so this is the distinct department, only 4 department. So we get a count of the distinct HR, IT, finance, and I think there is some marketing. Okay, there's 4 departments there. So in DSL, how I will get that? So first in DSL, what we'll do, we'll select. Okay, we'll select, and then we'll count distinct. What will be the distinct? And count distinct, the department will be the distinct, and then as count distinct department. Okay, so let me run this one. The outputs before, you can see distinct department is 4. Okay, we will use select and then in bracket count distinct, and we need the department distinct, so we'll put distinct in bracket, and then we'll use this alias as distinct department, then show. Okay, so let me comment this one and this one. And here another thing, the conditional. Okay, so we need to get the total count of the employee whose salary is greater than 70,000. So select count star from employee where salary greater than 70,000. Okay, so how to count, how to do that? In SQL you can see only 6 employee whose salary is greater than 70,000. Okay, and in DSL, how to do that? So in DSL we'll use first filter. Filter is for this filter, and then we'll in the bracket we'll give it the salary and then greater than 70, and we'll select count. Okay, and then show. Select count star as count salary greater than 70, and then show. We'll use filter and then count select and then show. So let me run this one. You can get the similar output. Okay, so let me comment this one, and here also let me do that. And here last one is we need to get the department and the count of employee on each department. Okay, so in SQL, Spark SQL, will do one thing. We'll use the group by. Okay, select department count, count as person ID, group by department. So we'll get the count of the person belongs to each department. Okay, so let me run this one. You will see that each department, HR has 5 member, finance 4, marketing has 3 employee, and IT has 5. Okay, so in DSL how to do that? We need to group by department. Okay, and then aggregate count. Okay, and then show. This is the output will be like that. We will group by department and then we'll use aggregate, then count as person in department, and then show. Okay, so this is something very important for interview question. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.